Children, today we will learn the story of Prophet Yunus, peace be upon him. He told his people to worship only Allah, but most of them did not listen. Prophet Yunus, peace be upon him, became upset and left his people. He traveled on a big ship. Suddenly, a strong storm came in the sea. The ship was about to sink. The people threw Prophet Yunus into the water. At that time, a very big whale came and swallowed Prophet Yunus, but Allah kept him safe inside the whale. In the darkness, Prophet Yunus prayed to Allah. La ilaha illa anta, subhanaka, inni kuntu minaz zalimin, which means, there is no God except you. You are pure. Surely I was among the wrongdoers. Allah accepted his prayer. The whale came to the shore and released him safely. Prophet Yunus, peace be upon him, was safe.
In Allah's
Children,
mercy.
we learn two lessons. Never lose hope in the mercy of Allah, and always ask for help only from Allah.
For more educational videos and stories, subscribe our channel and follow the Facebook page.